Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a new computer mouse. What we have to unbox today is the wireless YUNZII M2 gaming mouse. This thing is an 8K wireless mouse, 30,000 DPI, lightweight, and has 3 modes of connectivity. You can connect this thing over Bluetooth, a 2.4G wireless adapter, or come with the wired option to connect it and never have to worry about the battery. I picked this thing up because I wanted something comparable to my previous Red Dragon mouse. It's a very simplistic mouse, 2 buttons on the side and lightweight. I just wanted something different. And in case, I do want to swap over to something else, we'll give this one a try. So I like the style of this. Has kind of like almost like a army camouflage type look to it. On the back there, I'll show you the details it has. We'll get right into the unboxing, see what comes inside. Sleeve on it, keeps it all nice and contained. YUNZII, where art meets next level typing. Interesting, but maybe they feature more so the keyboards and whatnot for computing. Right off the top here we have the user manual, some charging tips and 8K using tips. We have some stickers here that will go on the mouse, and these are more so used for gripping capabilities. I did review a different mouse on my channel that has these, and I loved it. Having those rubberized grips makes it a little bit easier to control, and it's very likely I'm going to use them on this mouse. We have one package here with the zip top. This is going to be your woven USB-C cable. And looks like it's pretty good length, so I'm probably going to swap out my existing cable for this one. It feels a lot more stiff than my other woven cable. This is just going to be a lot more durable, I believe. Inside this little zip case here, looks like we might have a USB dongle, and we'll figure out what this is in a bit, but has USB-C on one side and standard USB on the other side. Here's the mouse. Feels nice. It has kind of a rough feel to it, but I think the intention there is gripping capabilities. It almost feels like holding a video game controller, like the new Xbox style or a PS5, how it has that little bit of texture to it. On the side there you got the 2 click buttons in gold. On the very bottom we have the different options for changing it between the wireless USB, wired mode, or Bluetooth. We have a DPI bottom there. So if you want to quickly swap between the sensitivity on screen, you're able to just click that and it'll change that setting for you. It does have a magnetic bottom here with the USB dongle. So that's going to be what we actually use. I think the other adapter here, this might be like an extension cable of sorts. So on the bottom here, we took that USB dongle out. It's just a mini dongle. I'll be plugging that into the PC. That snaps right back in place. And that's just a protective sticker that we're going to take off. We're also going to take it off of the top side. and plugging the USB cable into the top there is going to give it a charge and your wired capabilities. I believe this thing does last for about 50 hours wirelessly, so plenty of time to use it on your PC before you need to plug it back in and charge it up. Now without further ado, I'm going to plug this in my computer. We'll start it wired and then we'll get a little bit of a charge on it, try it wirelessly, and test out the DPI settings. Alright, so I have the mouse connected. I did have to use the supplied USB cable that it comes with. We got that connected. Everything's functional as far as this goes. I do apologize for the dust here. It is summertime, but whatever. We got this thing connected. We have the DPI lit up red, and we have it on the wired mode. I did find out that the little coupler, if you want to call it that it comes with, is pretty much for the sake of swapping between your USB and the mini USB dongle. You just slide that right in there, and then the other end is going to go to your USB cable. For the sake of testing, I'll show you that. Have it connected, and we're going to set this to wireless mode over the 2.4G, and it works just as it does a wired mouse on the computer. Automatically detected, we're good to go. But a lot of times I like to have my PC wired to my mouse, just because I don't want to deal with a dead battery in the middle of a gameplay session or something like that. So we are using the mouse right now on the screen. Everything runs very smooth. It seems to be a quick mouse, slides across the mouse pad just fine and smooth. I'm gonna change the DPI setting on there. Looks like that changes to a yellow LED, and that's a bit faster. Hit it again and it goes to blue. That's very fast. Next option is purple. That's zooming across my 3 monitors and goes back to red. That's a bit slow. Green, just about right for how I like it. Let me make sure here. Yeah, then it goes back to blue. So 5 different modes on here. I'm gonna stick it with the green, the standard. And it does have software too, so if you do want to change those DPI settings, you're able to do so by installing the software. I'll have a little clip of how that works, just so you can get an idea that you can customize it a little bit further. But as far as the mouse review goes, it has a nice grip to it. It's very smooth, lightweight. In comparison to my Red Dragon, they are almost the same size and look. We have the left click buttons just a little bit further down. It feels nice. It's going to get the job done. The mouse wheel works pretty smooth on the screen here. I'm scrolling up and down. It's very quiet. It's not something that's going to be annoying by any means. Yeah, it's no louder than the Red Dragon mouse that I have been using. If I want to in a bit, I have the option to use the grip stickers, which very good chance I'm going to use these. We got the left side one, the right side, and the left and right mouse clicks. Those will just go right on top to give you a little bit more control, a little bit more grip, but even without them, it feels nice. And I think I'm going to move forward with using this mouse. Overall, pretty good. I do like this mouse. We'll continue using it and just see how it goes. Thanks for watching. So hopefully you guys like the video. If you do want to pick up one of these mice for yourselves, take a look at the link in the description below. I'll have it posted there. And if you guys like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.